after giving Assam police a slip on November 19th. Key Jamaat-ul-Mujahideen operative and one of the main accused in the Bharadwan blast, Shahanur Alam, was finally arrested by the NIA in Assam.
Shahanur, he went to different places of Assam. Our team followed him. Then he went to Meghalaya also. Around Tura also he spent a few days. Our team went to that place also. Then in Indo-Bangladesh border area also he was hiding, because that area also a lot of hideouts actually they have got.
Shahanur Alam has been remanded to 14 days Special Operations Unit custody for interrogation, and the NIA will try to link the Bharadwan blast and the Bangladeshi terror group.
We shall be looking for his connection with the West Bengal unit. We shall look for his connection with the Jamaat-ul-Mujahideen of Bangladesh.